As a leading provider of traffic surveying services in the Rohini area, our team of experienced traffic surveyors is dedicated to providing accurate and reliable data to help our clients make informed decisions. We understand the importance of gathering comprehensive data on traffic patterns, volume, and behavior in order to design efficient transportation systems. With our expertise and state-of-the-art technology, we are able to conduct thorough traffic surveys that meet the specific needs of our clients in Rohini. Our traffic surveyors in Rohini are equipped with the latest tools and equipment to collect data on various aspects of traffic flow. From conducting manual counts to using advanced technologies such as video and radar detectors, we ensure that our surveys are comprehensive and accurate. Our team is trained to analyze the collected data and provide valuable insights that can be used for planning and designing transportation infrastructure. Whether it is for road construction, signal optimization, or traffic management, our surveys provide essential information that helps in making informed decisions. Our team of traffic surveyors in Rohini has the expertise to design surveys that address the specific needs of each project. We work closely with our clients to understand their objectives and develop a survey plan that captures all the relevant data. We consider factors such as location, time of day, and special events to ensure that our surveys provide a comprehensive picture of the traffic situation. We pride ourselves on delivering accurate and reliable data to our clients in Rohini. Our traffic surveyors are trained to adhere to industry standards and best practices to ensure the quality of our surveys. We use advanced software and techniques to process and analyze the collected data, providing our clients with detailed reports that are easy to understand. Our team of skilled traffic surveyors is committed to providing accurate and trustworthy data as a leading supplier of traffic surveying services in the Rohini area so that our clients can make wise decisions. To create effective transportation systems, it is crucial to collect thorough information on traffic volume, behavior, and patterns. We are able to conduct extensive traffic surveys in Rohini that are tailored to the unique requirements of our clients, thanks to our knowledge and cutting-edge technology. The most up-to-date tools and equipment are available to our traffic surveyors in Rohini for the collection of information on all elements of traffic flow. We make sure that our surveys are thorough and precise by conducting manual counts and using cutting-edge tools like video and radar detectors. Our team of skilled traffic surveyors, a major supplier of traffic surveying services in the Rohini region, is committed to offering accurate and trustworthy data to support our clients in making wise decisions. We are aware of how critical it is to collect thorough information on traffic volume, behavior, and patterns in order to create effective transportation systems. We are able to carry out